Next, we will look at how we can run Python tests in parallel using pytest exist plugin. On Python package index page, search after pytest-exist and click on copy button. Open a terminal, paste the command and install it. Do not forget to add this in the requirements.txt file. And that's it. We are not required to do any other configuration and we are ready to go. The tests I will be running are located in this module. As you can see, there are 3 Selenium test cases. They are running on Chrome and actually they have the same implementation, but I will just use those for this POC. All the 3 test cases have the same pytest mark, which is Selenium_parallel. To distribute the tests across multiple CPUs, we will be using this command, pytest-n auto. And you can find more details about this on the plugin documentation page. So go ahead and have a look here to get more details. In terminal, we will write the following, pytest-m followed by the marker name, which is Selenium_parallel -n auto. And I will also want to generate the HTML report, so we have to write --HTML equal report.html. Execution has started, now collecting the available workers. And as you can see, we got 3 workers for our 3 test cases. So each test case has its own worker. Now if you open the report.html file, we can find all the details and the 3 test cases that were executed. And that's all for now. Thank you for your time and see you in the next one. Bye.